Alright guys, so today I'm going to show you how to install the Tundra letter inserts for the tailgate. It's pretty simple. I just got to start off by cleaning it off, and I use isopropyl alcohol you can get over at the drugstore. Make sure you use 70%. The reason I use this stuff is to make sure to get rid of all the oils, waxes, and soap that's left over. You do want to make sure it's nice and clean, and then afterwards go wipe it down with some alcohol, get some of that oil off like I said. I'm spraying it directly on the microfiber towel and making sure that I get all these edges. Just use the dry side of the towel to make sure everything's dry. So once that is done, go find yourself like a little pick. You can even use like a plastic spoon or something just to assist. I have chubby fingers, so something like this could help, and I'll show you how. But we're going to start. I'm going to start with the A since that's closest to you guys. And basically what I'm doing is I'm just peeling these letters off the sheet that it comes with it, that we ship out. And I'm not sure what I did there, but I just put it on that stick and kind of just eyeball it. This side's a little higher than this side. I'm a little perfectionist, so I'm going to take that off, start all over again. There you go. Once that's in there, sometimes it's a little easier just doing it with your hands, but you know, whatever you guys feel comfortable with. This material is repositionable, so as long as you don't press down on it and then try to take it off, you should be fine. But you know, if it touches the car and you want to peel it back off, you should be able to do that without any issues. All our corners come rounded, just a slight round edge or corner, so that it just helps when you go to wipe it down, doesn't catch on the microfiber when you wipe it down with any towels. Put that stick down because I feel a little comfortable doing it with just by hand. Alright guys, just about to finish up here. Alright, and that is how you install the tailgate stamp inserts. Pretty easy install, very fun, quick, easy DIY project. You can do it at home, on a weekend, in your lunch break, whatever you want. It's pretty quick, and it really does just add a little bit more pop to that stamp section of the Tundra. We also have one for the Tacoma, and same exact install process for that one as well.